Welcome to Yvette's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you can decorate your pitcher. It's a glass jug with silver trimming from the trimming store. The one with the bling, okay? So it's the one with the rhinestone. So first I'm going to cut my strips to the size that I want, which I already done. So I'm just going to put the first one right here, but first I'm going to use some glue. Alright, so I'm just going to put it across like this. Okay, and allow it to go right around. Alright, this is the first one. Okay, so the next one, a few more glue. Just gonna put right here. Okay, making sure it's done properly. Okay. So this you can decorate if you're having a party or you're having a wedding. And I can use to serve. Alright. And I'm going to put the other piece around. So try to get it all the way around, okay? So I have one that I already decorated. So this is the finished product, okay? Our beautiful and lovely picture that I have decorated with rhinestone trimmings. Alright, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.